some of my, it looks a little bit messy, but here's some of my old mini fridges right there. I'm gonna keep that because I like that Mountain Dew mini fridge. So I'm gonna keep it. Maybe I can restore it or whatever. Maybe get some of that spray stuff and see if I can restore that, because that's a good mini fridge. And I still got my other one too. I got like 3 mini fridges now. 2 that are like, broke, or not broke, but stopped working, and then this one up here. This one hopefully is my last one. And this is the room. This is the part of my room where I have my Second Amendment flag, and then I got my bow and arrow, my new hockey stick that I got at Five Below yesterday. And it's just a mess right here. I apologize for that, but here's just a mess. But there's Mountain Dew Live Wire, my Bud Light, some other Mountain Dew back there, Pepsi. And then quick look over here, quick sneak peek right here is Mountain Lightning. Tomorrow's video I'll be doing a review of that. But yeah, that's my mini fridge. I don't want to open it up because it's cooling the drinks. Let's actually see if it cooled any drinks yet. It's still going. It's slowly cooling the drinks. You see the fan is working back there, so. So it's cooling the drinks. Got my RC truck up here, one of the ones. Some of my model cars, NASCAR model cars, some model trucks, like this old Obashan truck, other model cars and trucks.